You did a pump. I think it went to Ghana. I should have the note. Yes, it went to Ghana in Africa. Can you talk a little bit about that project? Because that the one where there was actually an emergency element where I think they were getting water into the mine shaft or something like that.
Yeah, we actually did do a project that went to Ghana, Africa, into a gold mine, and it's used for dewatering. So basically, when you're down in the earth, there's water that you have to get rid of. So one of their pumps went down and basically was filling the mine shaft with water. It doesn't fill it immediately; it takes days to fill the mine shaft. But I don't remember exactly the lead time, but it was not a very long lead time project. I mean, it was one of those where we really had to kick it and get it done because their mine was filling up with water. So we were able to get that project done and out in less than 2 weeks, and it was a significant package and project. And we flew guys to Ghana to do the install and basically finish the all around package. We're quite proud of that one as well. It was a crazy time around here, and I can't hardly believe we got it done in that time frame. So.
That's pretty amazing. 2 weeks for anything. I mean, and I mean, was that pump? I mean, what? Well, let's go. What kind of unit was it, and then let's go into condition and what actually had to go into getting that ready in 2 weeks.
I don't remember exactly the model number of the pump, but it was a big centrifugal pump, and it was a used surplus pump. So we did not have to rebuild that pump, but we had to build a pump packaged with an electric motor. So we had to build the skid, we had to design the skid, we had to get the skid milled, blasting, painting, assembly, basically all of the above, besides rebuilding the pump to get it ready for shipment.
That's amazing. 2 weeks. I mean, that's in the middle of. I mean, obviously there was other projects going. Sort of how was that able to be mobilized? Just from a logistical standpoint, being able to. I mean, again, I've been to the facility, so I know that would have been quite an undertaking to put that whole product together in a matter of 2 weeks and then get it out to Africa.
It absolutely was, and I think one of the things that sets us apart is Power Zone was built on things like that. We're very pliable. We're able to go in several different directions. The other advantage we have is we have a tremendous amount of pumps and that meet different requirements in stock, ready to go a lot of times. Like this pump, for instance, it was ready to go. It met the requirements, and we were able to package that relatively quickly because we had the pump on hand.
And then the install, like for an install on a project like that, and you didn't actually go to do the install, is that right?
No, one of our techs did. So.
Yeah. What is it? Are you sort of privy to the information of how long that would take from the time it left the U.S. to Ghana to actually being actually operational? Do you know what that timeline was?
I don't exactly remember what it was, but it takes a while to get stuff across the ocean and over there. I would say it would be another 2 to 3 weeks before we were over there installing.